What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video, we'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about everything you need to know regarding Luna Classic, but it's mostly technicals now. At least in my opinion. I mean, we can talk about the fundamentals, but there's not a lot going on. I mean, everything with Coinbase seems to have just been a rumor. And then we have Binance. Well, that's kind of been postponed. They're still burning, obviously, right now, but it's that doesn't really influence the price that much. Sorry, I'm kind of out of breath. And apart from that, what more do we have? I mean, we have some proposals from TERRA Classic itself. The last one was about hiring some layer 1 developers. I guess, I mean, that was pretty bullish for the price, actually, or at least the price went up after that. But it's in my opinion, that's not that bullish, and it's not going to have a lasting effect on the price of Luna Classic. So that's kind of a fundamental overview, I think. I mean, you can always, or you can almost always divide it up in 3 different sectors: Binance, Coinbase, and Coinbase was also quite some time ago. I mean, back here there were also Coinbase rumors, I believe, even though this was also when after Binance burns, but doesn't matter. So yeah, it's you can divide it up in that, and then just the TERRA Classic blockchain and all the proposals around that. If you want to know the news about Luna Classic, just follow all those 3 with keywords on Twitter. But as far as the price goes for Luna Classic, what we've said throughout the last couple of days is that well, we were first in this level between 15,300 and 16,200. Pretty strong resistance, pretty strong support, so we would probably consolidate there. And then I said that at some point I did expect us to get a bearish breakout through 15,300, which we did, and that's what we're in now. See, we got that bullish breakout, we took a break retest already, and now we're dropping. And now, as you can see, it's actually, we're getting into a pretty interesting, I would say, market formation and structure. And that's also why I chose this thumbnail. I think I'll call it something like, can this Luna Classic uptrend hold? Because as you can see, technically we are still, you could still argue that we are in an uptrend, and there's this pretty strong trend line coming up at around 14,500, and more specifically between 14,500 and 14,750. And we are going to drop down there, but then the big question is can we from there get up even higher than what we did? Can we get back up to 16,000 to 17,000? And I'm going to tell you if we can or not. I personally don't think we can. And Luna Classic is very fundamentally driven. So okay, sure, if we get bullish fundamentals, then we can. But otherwise, I don't think the entire market is strong enough to do something like that. So then I also don't think Luna Classic is able to do something like that. I think we'll find some support, but what we like, I think we'll find resistance at 15,500. Maybe consolidate. I mean, it's weekend, so then we'll not move a lot, but eventually I think we'll drop down to 14,000. So the only way in which we could continue this uptrend, I would say, is that if we find support here, which I do think we will do, and then we break above 15,500. That's the main resistance level just above us, technically between 15,300 and 15,500. And if we break above that, okay, then we can actually do something. Then we can go up to 17,000. But as I said, or what I tried to say at the start, I think for something like this, you would either need a very strong crypto market, which we don't have right now, or you would need a strong bullish fundamentals and news for Luna Classic, which at this point of time we don't have. If we get that in a weekend, we can still do something like that, but I cannot predict that. Given everything that we know now, it seems more likely that we'll find support there, but then take a break retest off of that level between 15,300 and 15,700, and then consolidate between 14,000 and 15,300, because 14,500 is a strong support level, but eventually drop back down. Alright, so that's my take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, have a great day, take care, and bye.